This video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a work light from the company FORTO. This is the RP 2000Y model, the portable LED work light. This thing is awesome. I have already used it several times, putting it kind of like testing it out over the past few weeks, seeing what I kind of thought about it, and I put it back in the box just for the purpose of this video. And I just wanted to kind of like bring y'all like a quick little review on this thing. And let's just go over some of the features. Looking at the box here, it's a one-piece rechargeable 5,200 milliamp battery, lithium ion battery. It's got the Type-C charging cable, doubles as a power bank. Keep that in mind. It got 4 modes. It's a single panel low, single panel high, single panel low, dual panel high, dual panel low. 360-degree rotation on these things. Let's just open it up and show you what it looks like in the package here. Number one, you get a really nice looking USB-C cable. I love it, and it's labeled there USB-C FORTO right there. And pulling it out right here, you get the package itself. I have been using it, by the way. Don't that just sound good? We'll put that down right over there. You got a little set of instructions right here, and I'll kind of briefly go over the instructions. It really just kind of like goes over on how the panel works. One press on, 1, 2, 3, and the battery charging capabilities of this thing. Let me just kind of like show it real quick here. And I will use this at night to show you how nice this thing looks. You got the input, output right back here. And then let's just actually open this up. So I'm going to show you it using as an output. I have some GoPro batteries here. Check that out. Charging them up. These are fully charged, but they might have one more charge on them. So it works really good as that. So you have a backup charger. So while you're working on your car or doing something, you could always charge your phone. It has an indicator, and I always love it when companies do this. Everybody that doesn't do this should take notice, because if I can't tell how much is left in there, I already see I got 3 bars still left on it. The input voltage is 2 amp input max, and the output is 2 amp out. So DC 5 volt coming out on that, and it's a 3.6 volt built-in rechargeable lithium ion battery. I done went over that. Let me show you some of the features of this thing. So number one, look how cool all that works. I like how that works. You can set this in multiple ways, like that, like that, like that. This is the way I used it the most, is setting up like this, and then you just hit it once. That is super bright. One. There's the low, and even the low's good enough. The too bright is blinding bright. I am shocked at the amount of power coming out of this little light right here. Then I think there's a low on that. There's the low. So the double low. Is that not awesome? And I like it like this. If I want to put it out, I can use this for camping. I can use this while I'm out working on my van or working on my bikes or something like that. Something that's just handy to have in my bike, and had it all set out there. And I'll show you how well this thing lights up. But yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the FORTO work light, rechargeable work light. See you on the next video.